If you're a mechanic, this is definitely a must-have. This is the Tesmen. Tesmen puts out a lot of tools for measuring different things. They have clamp meters for electrical and different things like that. So this is the brake fluid tester. We're going to show you. It comes with a carry case. Comes with a decent manual. There's not a lot of information, but enough to tell you what it does. And then you can see basically it gives you different, the DOT or .3, .4, .5.1. Those are different types of oils. And this will measure the corrosives or any basically corrosives, which is your moisture levels in your inside your oils. So this is going to work real good for testing to make sure that your oil's clean. So it's got different settings on here. You just hit the S for your different settings. We'll get focused here. But you can see I've got basically a moist towel here, and it's going to tell us what the moisture level is and alarm us if it's too high. So we'll pull that away so it stops beeping. But you can see here that it's got your different levels. It's got your power setting, and it's got two prongs to measure those moistures. And so I've seen with Tesmen, they're very sensitive measuring devices. They have a lot of different things. You got a discount code below us. If you like this video, hit that like button, or if it gave you any opportunities to learn something, because that's what we're all about. So they've got liquid testers, they got electrical testers, moisture testers, whatever you're looking for. Tesmen is the guys to really kind of perfect everything for this. So hope you like it, and we'll see you on the next video.